Welcome to Marvelous Gardening. I'm Sarah Adams Mar Dumas. Today we're going to talk about sowing and harvesting rainbow chard. I love rainbow chard. It's so versatile. You can cook it, saute it in butter and garlic, or just eat it raw. What we're going to do is I have this nice prepared soil here. I've prepared it with compost and high nitrogen plant food. You can use manure, but you want to make sure you have lots of nutrients in here. And then I have my seeds, and you want to make sure they're nicely spaced. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little trench in here like this. And I'll just put a couple little seeds here and space them out nicely. We want to make sure they're not crowded, or your Swiss chard could be bitter. Then I'm going to push this soil across. And then I'll water this in thoroughly with gentle water. And then here, this is Swiss chard here. So you can see I have some rainbow chard growing here. So what I've been doing is planting every 2 to 4 weeks some Swiss chard, so I have different harvesting times. This will obviously come up later. I'm waiting for this, and then I have some in the back that we're going to harvest. I'm going to show you how to harvest, because all you have to do with Swiss chard is cut a couple leaves, and then, or 5, 10, and it will grow back. So let's go in the back and I'll show you how. What I'm going to do is I clip down here at the bottom, just like this. And you can take whatever size you want. You can take small leaves, you can take the large leaves, and I like to cut them first thing in the morning, before all the energy goes out to growing during the day, because that's when you get all the beautiful Swiss chard flavor. And that's all there is to sowing and harvesting rainbow chard. Thanks for joining me on Marvelous Gardening. Thanks for following us on YouTube, our Facebook page, and Instagram. And thank you for all your questions and comments. They're greatly appreciated, and I'd love to hear your gardening tips and secrets as well. One of the funnest things about gardening is sharing those tips and secrets with everyone. So be sure and go to our Facebook page, Marvelous Gardening, and have a marvelous day.